way up high, and the dreams that you dream of once
In our class this fall, we have been learning all about our communities. We know that some people in our community need help. Now we want to help make our community better. We want to help people that don't have enough. Sometimes people need help with food and nutrition. Good food helps give people energy. Food keeps people healthy and safe. Good nutrition helps people not sick. Food makes people feel safe. We want to help these people so they can have a better life. People should feel better or normal. We want to help. And we need your help too. We are going to make sandwiches for our Daily Bread, a soup kitchen in Baltimore. Would you please help us? Please help us with our donations. We need peanut butter and jelly. We will love cookies and pretzels. Fruit is always healthy. People get thirsty and would like drinks as well. We will even take dried fruit. You can even help us make sandwiches. We will be working on Thursday, October 31st.
Wake up where the clouds are far behind.